Here's how to use AI to stay ahead of the curve and identify emerging software trends in your industry. This method is going to help you spot opportunities before your competitors do. My name is Omer, and I build data analytics platforms at AWS. I've also started a couple of SaaS businesses. I'm going to show you how to identify software trends for your SaaS right now. First, you need to gather data on your competitors. Go to g2.com and identify 3 to 5 of your top competitors in your software category. Do that by going to this space, searching for your SaaS, and taking a look through here. Next, you can head over to extractg2.com and download the free Chrome extension, and this is going to export the G2 reviews to Excel for you. So now, we'll choose one of these. We'll use the G2 extension to export software reviews to Excel. You can click on the extension icon here, and now it's been exported. Now, what you want to do is bring in AI. So you open up Claude. We're going to use Claude instead of ChatGBT because of its larger context window, which is perfect for analyzing lots of review data. Copy and paste these reviews into Claude. You're going to paste the reviews in with this prompt. I'll come right back with the reviews. Okay, and we're back. This is the Claude output. It's identified some trends, but this is where it gets interesting. You take Claude's analysis and feed it back into Claude. Ask it to generate a list of potential software trends. The prompt is the following. So we're going to come right back with the results. Okay, we have the results from Claude showing the different industry trends for cloud security. So, emerging technologies, new product features, changing user needs, and new market segments. Well, this is gold for your strategy. You can take this output and use it to inform your product roadmap, guide your hiring decisions, and identify new partnership opportunities. You can create a presentation summarizing these trends and present that to your company to inform the product roadmap. There you have it. That's how you use AI to stay on top of software trends in your industry. This approach combines data collection with AI analysis. If you have any questions or would like me to go deeper, comment below. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this.